Hi, welcome to Togatech. In this video we'll be going through the manufacture of this, which is a 3D Marvel Hulk figure. Originally this channel was meant to be about simulators, flight simulators, racing simulators, and I purchased the Anycubic i3 Mega to make some parts for my simulator, but it's turned out to be so much fun. As I say, I've made this one here and I've painted it myself. It looks very impressive. I'm well pleased with that. I did another one the other day which I've scaled up slightly. This is the maximum size I can do on this printer. The detail is phenomenal. Very pleased with that. All made from PLA filament like this, and the Anycubic i3 Mega. I'll leave a link in the description below to the STL file, so if you want to have a go yourself, and do share any videos or photos or comments with me so I can see how you got on with it, and if there's any improvements you can make to either the printer or the printer files. I've got more coming up in the series. I'm doing a whole section on 3D printing. We've got more Marvel action figures, got Hulk Buster, Iron Man, Thanos. There's various others from whole variety, and all of them I'll leave a link to the STL files in the descriptions below. Okay, well I'll take you through this one, so I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for further videos, please leave them in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Togatech.